Hi traders, and welcome back to the Altrady channel. Today I'm bringing you one of the most important lessons every crypto trader should know. The 4 market cycles. How to recognize them, how they work, and most importantly, how to avoid emotional mistakes that destroy thousands of portfolios. I'll guide you step by step through the phases of accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown. And at the end, we'll integrate a crucial concept. Cyclical analysis in the crypto market, meaning how these patterns repeat over time with surprising accuracy. The accumulation phase, the market floor. Imagine drawing a chart. The market drops, and then at some point it stabilizes. That's the floor, the bottom. This is the accumulation phase. Prices move sideways, volatility is extremely low, institutional investors accumulate quietly, and the media is completely negative. It's all over, we'll never go back to all-time highs. During accumulation, almost no one wants to buy because the sentiment is extremely bearish. And this is exactly where professional traders start positioning themselves. From a cyclical point of view, this phase marks the beginning of a new cycle. In crypto, this often aligns with lows after a major crash, the final part of the Bitcoin halving cycle, a clear cooling of retail interest. The markup phase, the beginning of the bull market. After accumulation comes everyone's favorite stage, the markup phase, the bullish phase. Here the market starts moving, breaks resistances, creates higher lows, and forms a clean, organized uptrend. What happens during this phase? Sentiment becomes increasingly optimistic. Volume rises, liquidity increases, and the media shifts from we're doomed to the market is recovering. This is where traders who understand the cycle ride the trend from the beginning. From the perspective of cyclical analysis, markup is the central part of a mini or macro crypto cycle. The distribution phase. The market gets tired. After a long bullish trend, the market reaches a critical point, the distribution phase. You can recognize it easily. The market stops making strong new highs. Highs become weaker. Price moves sideways. Volume drops. Those who bought in accumulation begin selling. This phase looks very similar to accumulation, but psychologically it's the exact opposite. In accumulation, professionals buy. In distribution, professionals sell to late retail traders. This is where the most dangerous emotions appear. FOMO, the fear of missing out. Traders who didn't buy during accumulation and didn't enter early in the markup start entering now. When the risk to reward ratio no longer makes sense, the bullish trend is mature, the market is already showing weakness, the distribution phase can last for weeks, months, sometimes even years, just like accumulation. It's a long, deceptive, false sense of security. The markdown phase. The market crashes. And here we are at the final stage of the cycle, the markdown phase, the full downtrend. Here, the selling pressure dominates. Support levels break. The downtrend becomes clear. The media returns to catastrophic narratives. And most importantly, capitulation happens. This is where late buyers from the distribution phase get wiped out and tend to close losing positions emotionally. Paradoxically, this is the phase that lays the groundwork for the next accumulation phase. How does cyclical analysis fit into the crypto markets? Crypto is one of the most cyclical markets in the world. Both micro and macro cycles repeat with surprising consistency. Here are some key examples. A Bitcoin halving cycle, a macro cycle. Roughly every 4 years. Post-crash accumulation, markup in the months after the halving, distribution with maximum euphoria, and markdown with a major correction. This pattern has repeated 3 times in a row. Internal mini cycles, micro. Within each macro cycle we find micro accumulations, micro markups, local distributions, smaller markdowns, and for example on a daily or weekly time frame, these cycles are extremely visible. Emotional cycles of traders. Each phase has a dominant emotion. Accumulation moves to fear and skepticism. Markup moves to optimism and participation. And distribution is euphoria and FOMO. And markdown, panic and capitulation. These 4 cycles form the foundation of cyclical analysis in financial markets, and especially in crypto, where human behavior repeats with even more predictability. If you learn to recognize them, you will always have a major advantage over the market. If you want more videos on how to apply these cycles to your strategies on Altrady, let me know in the comments and leave a like. I'll see you in the next one.